Guys, what's going on? We are talking about BTC Bitcoin in this video. In this update, we're going to be looking at just the overall price now that it's a $2 trillion market cap, one of the biggest market caps in the world for, obviously cryptocurrency, but against other asset classes, it is up there. It's the top dog. Obviously it's not the top dog, but if we start looking at the crypto market as a whole, I think it paints a picture to kind of where this stuff is going. So look at the inflows here, guys, on Bitcoin in 2025 alone. I mean, this is pretty remarkable, guys, to say the least. To say the least here is that, how much millions of dollars is coming into a majority of coins, Bitcoin, all these ETFs and so forth. 321 million, Fidelity 209 million. So I mean, we're talking about right under $1 billion in just these ETFs. Meanwhile, Bitcoin core Bitcoin is sitting at a $2 trillion market cap. Now, obviously, if everybody tried to pull that out at one time, that would probably not look like a $2 trillion market cap. But nonetheless, here that's what we got to go on. So let's look at the log chart here. Obviously, the same trajectory Bitcoin's kind of been on since the beginning. Kind of just this giant leap. It's just massive. So congrats to everybody in the Bitcoin community that is growing the coins, right? I mean, we're kind of growing some type of clarity here in the crypto space. So we can look at different charts to suggest that like it's probably not going to stop. This is probably going to be, a $1 million market cap or $1 million coin, being the most expensive coin in the world. Relatively, in the near, in the next, if it's not this cycle, it will be in a cycle, close. It will not be, if maybe if the cycle has become, more of a cycle like, I don't know, like something like this, like in the beginning, right? From like 2010 to 2013, that would definitely push Bitcoin to $1 million relatively quickly. And I think it's the greatest appreciating asset on the planet. I don't know what Dogecoin is at, but if you look at different stuff at different periods, you can kind of figure out maybe what's going on here, and that's what we try to do here on the channel. So checking in, looking at some little charts here that people are putting up here, just some open interest futures, leverage stuff. Actually, I don't even know what this is. Leverage ratio. But yeah, I mean, a lot of people have been. Here's the Carl from the moon with his graph. So we'll see if this is support because we don't really know, exactly where this thing's going to top out. I mean, people are saying $1 million. Some people are saying 250. There's been a wide range. It might already be kind of. I mean, you guys were at 100 grand. It's like nobody knows for sure. It's always the idea that it's going to keep going up, but when you look at stuff like this that shows like the massive gains at certain points in time, and there's always a little bit of a pullback. Obviously, we'll have a couple months of green like here, which is insane. But it's just it. If we look at January, it's already been a good month for January. February seems like a good month, and it kind of in the summertime dies out. But then again, that's not necessarily true. That's not necessarily true either. Because look at this, into the summer here. So absolutely insane, guys. We hope we see a price explosion with Bitcoin reaching some of these higher numbers that people are doubting, because it would really kind of bake in, the broader crypto market getting more attention around the world, which we got to know. We got to keep in mind that, for a lot of people, people don't know about Bitcoin yet. They don't even know about, the original coin or anything like that. So, yeah, I mean that's kind of what we need to go on, guys. That's what we're going to be looking at here on the channel, is just like if Bitcoin can keep pressing higher, it'll be great. But we need to make sure for the right metrics, for our perspective, that we're keeping note of this stuff here on the channel. All right, so we'll catch you guys in the next one, guys. I think hopefully, if we see some more upward action with Bitcoin, I think it'll be pretty aggressively happening aggressively fast. I don't think it's going to be as slow moving as people think. I think people will be quite surprised how fast the crypto coins could, no guarantees there, could take off here relatively soon. All right, so drop it in the comments. Let me know what you think if Bitcoin can hit maybe 120K here soon. You know, that's only another 18,000, but you know, how many billions of dollars would that take to raise that price? It's a scary number. So take care, guys. We'll talk to you soon.